Trainee IAS officer Pooja Khedkar has stated that she will testify in front of the expert committee and that she will be accepting the decision of the committee as well. She added that whatever submissions she has, they will become public later. She said that the Indian Constitution is based on the fact that one is innocent until proven guilty. So proving her guilt by a media trial is wrong. Let's quickly listen in to what she's had to say.
बोल रही हूँ कि ये जो टेक्निकल चीज़ें हैं तो आप मुझे पूछ रहे हैं, उन्होंने इसीलिए एक एक्सपर्ट कमेटी एस्टैब्लिश की है और जो भी इसके टेक्निकल डिटेल्स है और जो भी मेरा सबमिशन है, आई विल डेफिनेटली गिव दैट. मैंने आपको कल भी यही बोला था, मैं आज भी आपको यही बोल रही हूँ कि लेट द एक्सपर्ट कमेटी डिसाइड, let the experts decide. Obviously I am no one to say, you are no one to say, common public is no one to say. The experts in that specific field, the experts of government, they will decide. I am very sure that whatever is the truth, whatever it is, it will come in. वही मैं आपको.
All right, my colleague Prathamesh with us on the broadcast. Prathamesh, take our viewers through where does this case stand at this point in time, and we are now seeing that Pooja Khedkar has also released a statement where she's asking the media to not hold a trial and that she will continue to cooperate with the committee that has been set up by the government to look into the matter.
Yes, correct. The committee is investigating in this matter, and daily she is going to the committee and she produced in front of the committee as well, and all the evidences, all the papers which is being submitted to the all the official files, as well as she is submitting to the committee, and the committee is investigating. After when the question was asked that what investigation is still going on in this, so she answered that I cannot answer on this question because the investigation is coming on, and I respect the constitution as well as the investigation is going on. So she cannot say anything that what the committee is thinking, what are the official files, as this official files will come in front of in a public domain soon, as after the committee will give the decision. And she also said that the decision which committee will give, she will approve it, and she will accept that decision whatever the committee gives, because she has the trust in the constitution as well. Also, she asked to not to do the media trial, as it has been said in the constitution as well. The innocent is until proven guilty. So it states that she is not guilty, and till that she doesn't put any of the guilt on her. So that's why she has said and appealed to the media as well as this thing. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.